Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change profile picture on Snapchat app on an Android device. Well, knowing how to change your profile picture on Snapchat allows you to update your account with a new image, reflecting change in your appearance, interest, or branding. Changing your profile picture can help keep your account fresh and up to date, ensuring that your friends and followers recognize you accurately. So let's go to the tutorial. Firstly, open Snapchat app on your device. Okay, next you have to go to the other tab and then enter to your profile page at the corner. Okay, and then select this option. After that, click edit profile and then tap this camera icon. Okay, so now you can select any picture to replace your current profile photo and then click save change here. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change profile picture on Snapchat on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.